Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. Evans with Math with Mrs. Evans, where I answer all of your math questions. Today I'm going to show you how to find the slope and y-intercept of a line when you're only given the equation of a line. So let's get started. So for this question, it's asking you to find the slope and the y-intercept of a line, and it gives you an equation of 7x plus y equals -1. And it says to write your answers in simplest form. So to do this, you need to write your equation in the equation of a line, the standard equation of a line, which I have over here. So remember, that is y equals mx plus b, right? Where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, okay? X and y are just x and y. People get really confused by that. They're like, what's x and what's y? I can't solve. You don't need to do that. You just need to say what's x, what's your slope, and what's your y-intercept. So you need to put this equation into this form. So notice that it says y equals, right? So essentially you are solving for y. So for this one, you need to go in and you need to say solve for y, right? So I have 7x plus y equals -1. So how do I solve for y? I need to move this over and get y by itself. So by doing that, all I have to do is say minus 7x and plop it over here, right? So I have y equals -1 minus 7x. Now, I solved for y, right? Now, I want you to look at the way this looks like over here. So I have my slope is attached to my x, right? So my slope is -7, and my y-intercept is -1. This isn't exactly in the same, it's not in the same format in the sense that it's not in the same order. So a lot of people need to see this in the right way. So make sure you do y equals -7x. I'm just flipping the order of this. It doesn't matter. Once it's all on that side, it doesn't make a difference, right? So y equals -7x minus 1. Okay, so now this puts this in the right order of the y-intercept in the back and the -7 slope in the front. Okay. Now, I can go ahead and look at this and say, all right, well, what's attached to my to the x, right? That is my slope. So my slope, it may ask you to put this in form of m, so I'm just going to put slope or m, is -7. And then my y-intercept is b, so I'm going to say y-intercept, or the b is -1. All right, that's all you need. So if you guys need to see another question, or you have a question about this, drop it in the comments and I will make you a video talking about how to solve it. Hopefully this was helpful. And